Good morning, children. We are going to continue chapter 4, addition. This is video number 18. Okay. You have done addition without carrying. You have done addition with carrying. Okay. Now you are sure about the addition now. Now we are going to do little more tricky. Okay. Fill in the missing numerals. Fill in the missing numerals. Same addition, but in between some numbers are missed. We are going to find those numbers. When we are finding those numbers, really it is very easy unless you follow the rules. Okay. You know that when we add the numbers, that means at least minimum 2 addends we have. For example, when we add the number 2 plus 3, simple addition 2 plus 3, that means 2 addends. We have 2 addends here. Then what we are getting is the sum. 2 plus 3 is 5. That is the sum. Okay. 2 and 3 are addends. And what we are getting, that total, we say total, otherwise sum. Okay. The rule is, you know that always the sum is greater than the addends. The sum is greater than the addends. This one you have to remember that. And one more thing you have learned, addition with carrying. When you are getting the sum in 2 digits, you write the rightmost place in that place, and the next, that is leftmost number, we carry to the next place. Isn't it? That's what we did in the addition with carrying. Okay, when we get 2 numbers, for example, whenever we multiply 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. So we write this in ones place, and we take this tens place to the next place to like carry. Okay, these 2 things you have to remember. Okay, one is these, when we take 2 numbers for addition, 2 or more than 2, whatever we take, those numbers are called addends. Those numbers are called addends. And what we are getting, that is total, sum, whatever we can say. Okay. Then next thing I said, when we add the numbers, if we are getting 2 digits, then we write 1 digit, that is which is in ones place, we write in that place, and the next digit we carry to the next place. We carry to the next place. These 2 things you have to remember. Okay. Now shall we go to the question now? Here they have given the question. On the top all the addends are missing. On the top all the addends are missing. And here 1 addend is given. Okay. Here the sum is given. In all the places sum is given. Okay. So when we add, we have to check. First thing we have to check whether the sum is greater than the addends or less than the addends. Greater than the addends or less than the addends. Already I told, when we add the numbers, the sum must be greater. So when we see here, this addend is 7. Isn't it? The sum is greater than 7. Okay, here 8. 8 is greater than 7. Here 3 and 9. 9 is greater. 1, 5. 5 is greater. 2, 7. So 7 is greater. So no problem. As usual we can do. When we add with 7 any number, 7, when we add with any number with 7, then we get 8. Which number we have to add, that we have to get it. The first 7, after that if we add 1 more, we get 8. So let me write here 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. The next one, here 3. Which number we are going to add with 3 to get 9? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers I have added? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 numbers I have added. 6 numbers I have added with the 3 to get 9. Okay. Then 1. What about the next number? The sum is 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So what must be added? 4 must be added. Okay. Then 2. Here the sum is 7. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 with 2 we are adding 5 to get 7. Have you understood? This is very simple addition. So we have done it. So let us go to the next one. Here 3 and here the sum is 1. Addend is 3. One addend is given, that is 3. The sum is 1. That means the sum is lesser than 3. The sum is lesser than 3. But in the beginning I said the sum must be greater. The sum must be greater. Okay. So, but here it is lesser than addends. So, we have to make that number greater. So, how can we make? So, instead of 1, it can be 11. Instead of 1, it can be 11. Instead of 1, it can be 11. That means they could take 1 carry. Okay. Instead of 1, here it can be 11. So, whenever the sum is lesser than the addends, we have to take that number like double digit number. Okay, we have to take one more digit with that. So, it may be greater than the addends. Okay. Now, if we take 11 here, 3 here. Now, you forget about this one. You see here 11. We have taken 11. Okay. So, 3 here, 11 here. So, what is that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, how many numbers should be added? How much? 8 should be added with this. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. Instead of 11, they have written 1. Okay. But the other one is carry, isn't it? We have to write that carry. Otherwise, we will forget it. So, let us write that carry. So, I have written carry over here. Okay. Now, let us take the next one. The addend is 6. This carry also we will add. Okay. 7. So, 7 and here the sum is 2. 2 is lesser than 7. So, we have to make double digit here. So, what should be this? 12. What should be this? 12. So, here 7, 6 plus this 1 carry 7. Okay. After 7 till 12 we are going to count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 5. So, let me write here 5. Okay. Now, let me take the next one. Here this carry, we should not forget. Okay. Let me take carry 1. Okay. Now, 4 plus 1, 5 and the sum is 0. Again, the sum is lesser than the addends. Okay. So, it must be double digit. That is 10. That is 10. Okay. With that 0, I have taken 1 carry also. So, 10. So, now, see here, what's supposed to be? 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 5 more we have added. Okay. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, shall we take the next number? Next question. Here 8 and 7. Again, smaller number. So, we will consider this one as 17. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, how many? 9. So, 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. So, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. So, again the smaller number. So, it will be considered as 11. So, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. So, 1 carry. Now, 4. 3 is smaller number. So, again we consider this one as 13. So, 4 plus 9 is 13. So, again 1 carry. 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Have you understood? Watch this video again and again. You will understand better. Thank you.